Welcome back, Earthlings. Prathamesh here. In the previous video, we understood class and object in a theoretical way. If you haven't watched that yet, check the link in the description. Now, in this video, let's see how we can implement class and object in Java using code. So, for it, first we need to create new class. We will name it as player. See, this is class. Now, for this class, we will need to define the properties and behaviors. We will define first three properties to it. The first one is like string name. Second one is int runs. The third one is string role of the player. Now we will define behavior of this class, which is like void display. So see, this method is responsible for display all the data of all the objects present. Currently, no object is present here. This is only template or blueprint. By using this, we can create object in this class. Now we will create object using main method. See, this is main method. Now we will create objects one by one. Layer P1 equal to new layer. See, this is the important line in Java because this is responsible for create the object, creating object of class player. So now this P1 is the instance of the first object. By using this, we can assign the value to the first object like P1 dot name equal to Virat Kohli. By the way, the name of my favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli. Who is your favorite cricketer? Write the name of your favorite cricketer in the comment box. So P1 dot runs equal to he scored 80 runs and his role is batsman. So this is first object we have created by using this above class. So this is template and this is first object created by using player class. Now you can create n number of objects like this. We can try it like we will create three objects using this same code. We will reuse this. See, this instance name will be P2. Here also we will do it P2. See, this is second object. The data of these both objects are different. Name of second player will be Rohit. He scored 45 runs and his role is also batsman. Now we will create last one object by using code which we have used previously. It is P3. We will keep the third object name as Hardik and he scored 33 runs and his role is all rounder. See, we have created these three objects by using only one class. Now we will print all the data using instance of these all objects. We will do it one by one. These three are responsible to call the display method by using different data for different objects. It will print all data of all objects. We will print one line after one object. Now you can see how it look like after running. See, we are able to successfully run this class. So this is first object's data, this is second one, and this is last one. So we have implemented class and object with the example of cricket. Now I have one task for you. You can do it Here we have used a player class and cricket example, but you can take this example as a college and student. College is as a class and student is like an object of that college class. You can try it. So thanks for watching this video.